super quick fix for the saggy mat pockets. I just use these little metal paper clip type deals, and watch, I'll show you. I just pull the spandex cord in. You know how they all flop around like that. I take it all the way by the end here, grab the little spandex cord, pull it in nice and tight, about as tight as you can get it. See how it's all the way pulled up nice and taut now, and you got this little strip of that spandex cord or whatever it is. Then I'll take my little paper clip guy. These things are stronger than they look. I'll clamp it on there. There. Make sure that the sides are gripping that little piece there so that it doesn't come undone. And close it around it so you can fold it over and under and in. And it figures that one time it would show. But you get the gist. There it is, fixed for about 50 cents worth of a piece of material. Now I'll go do this side.